Script. Welcome to the Confluent installation guide. In this video, we will install Confluent on a web server using the built-in browser installer. First, upload the Confluent script files to your hosting account or server. If Confluent has not been installed yet, the installer will open automatically. You can also open it directly by visiting /install. The first installer screen checks your server requirements. It verifies the PHP version, required PHP extensions, writable folders, and basic Laravel setup. If any requirement fails, fix it on your server and refresh the installer. Now create a new empty MySQL database from your hosting control panel or command line. Next, configure email. You can use SMTP for real emails. If the connection is successful, Confluent will prepare the database tables and import the required default data. For security, the installer is automatically disabled after setup. To run the installer again, you must manually remove the installation lock file from the server. That's it. Confluent is now installed and ready to use.